Creating workflows in HubSpot allows you to automate and streamline your marketing, sales, and service processes. Here's how to create a workflow. Navigate to Workflows. Log into your HubSpot account and go to the Automation or Workflows section. Click on Workflows from the top menu. Create a new workflow. Click the Create Workflow button to start creating a new workflow. Choose workflow type. Select the type of workflow you want to create: marketing, sales, or service. Choose from various workflow templates or start from scratch. Set enrollment triggers. Define the criteria that determine when contacts should enter the workflow. This could be based on list membership, form submissions, email interactions, or other behaviors. Build workflow actions. Design the sequence of actions that should occur within the workflow. Actions can include sending emails, updating contact properties, creating tasks, and more. Add conditions and delays. Incorporate conditions to personalize the workflow based on contact behavior or properties. Introduce delays between actions to time your communications effectively. Test your workflow. Before activating the workflow, test it to ensure it functions as expected. Use test context to simulate real-world scenarios and refine the workflow as needed. Activate your workflow. Once satisfied with your workflow, activate it to start automating your marketing, sales, or service processes based on the defined triggers and actions. Monitor and optimize. Monitor the performance of your workflows using HubSpot's analytics. Adjust workflows based on performance metrics to optimize engagement and efficiency.